Welcome back to ClearTask. If you use Microsoft Outlook, flagging emails is a great way to mark important messages and stay organized. But once you flag them, how do you easily find them again? Today, I will show you 2 quick, direct ways to view all your flagged emails in Outlook. The fastest method is using the built-in inbox filter. Open your Outlook inbox. Look at the top of your message list, just below the search bar, and you will see the filter option. Click it. From the drop-down menu, simply select Flagged. Instantly, your inbox will hide regular messages and only display the emails you have flagged. To go back to your normal view, just click the filter button again and clear the selection. The second method is great if you want to treat your flagged emails like a daily checklist. Look at the navigation menu on the left side of your screen. Click the To-Do or Tasks icon. It usually looks like a small check mark. This opens a dedicated workspace, showing a complete organized list of every flagged email, making it easy to check them off as you complete them. And that is it. Managing your workflow in Outlook is that simple. If this quick guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward professional tutorials. Thanks for watching.